Hello, all, it's Sharon. Today's video we're going to be organizing all these toys. Now, I actually have two of these. Now, these were from Walmart. They were the Macy's, and they were only $10 for these like little storage units, which I absolutely love. But for some reason, they're just out of stock, and I can't find them. I do have two of them. I'll show you the other one. The other one is full of clothes. When we first moved here, we're just using it until we got the closet set up. But yeah, we're going to be organizing all these toys today and see what we downsize. I'll also show you what we've done for Lego, kind of separating Lego. As you can tell, there's things in here that don't belong, like that roll of tape and a light. But yeah, we got to reorganize all these toy bins. So here's the other one that has a mix of now toys in it with some clothes. And I've almost finished doing the clothes sorting, so that's kind of good. But here's some of the Legos that we still need to sort. And then I have a Ziploc bag here that needs to be sorted out. But I have one of these Stairlight containers. And what we did is we did red, orange, which is not a lot of orange, and then yellow. And then the purples, pinks, blues, and the greens, which there's not a lot of green because they're in that other bag up there. Then the grays, whites, and black colors here. And some brown ones as well. And then down here is like larger pieces or things that is already made. So that's how we kind of sorted out the Legos so far. So yeah, I'm going to dump out these bins and we're going to see, continue organizing the stuff and see what we actually get rid of and donate. But yeah, I just thought I would come on here and share it with you all. So I have all the bins taken out. They're in my kitchen at the moment. So we have, each set comes with 4 large bins and 4 small bins. So I have 8 of the large and 8 of the small. I also have this yellow bucket down here where I put all of his new Spider-Man toys. So those need a bucket. Plus I have some labels from Amazon, so I don't know if I'm going to be labeling some of these bins as well. But yeah, I'm just going to lay out all the toys I find. If I dump everything into a giant pile, clean out the bins, and then start putting them back into bins. Then that's how I organize them. And then, like I said, we'll be discarding anything that is broken and maybe donating some of these toys as well. So these are the labels I have. They are actually sticker ones, which I actually like. I think I bought these even way back when I was still working at the daycare, but I'm not sure if these will work on the front of the bin because you won't be able to see it the way the bin is. So I'm going to have to stick them on the back. We're going to test one in a minute, but these are all the different ones that this pack comes with. There's also some ones you can write your own label. So yeah, these are really nice. So I'm going to go try one out right now and see how we're going to put it on the bin. And I like that these also have supplies as well, like markers and stuff like that, so I might be using some of these in the homeschool area as well. So we're just going to go test one right now. So yeah, I just got the action figure one there, and I like that they also had the picture as well. I added the Spider-Man characters. Yeah, so if I put it here in the front, you won't be able to see it. Maybe if you were like this, but like if I put it here, but I'm going to put them at the back for now and see if I like them. But yeah, it'll be good to have some of the labels on there. It'll be easier for Nate to put away his own toys. Plus, when I'm just doing it quickly, I can just toss them into the correct bins. Also, there is some more toys that are still in our closet that are in some boxes. Because when we moved, we literally had like 2.5 months to move. So some of the stuff near the end just got tossed into random bins. But those toys I'm not going to worry about right now. I just want to concentrate on these main ones that he plays with the most. Plus, we haven't been buying a lot of toys besides the toys he received at Christmas time. That's about all we've brought into this new place. And hopefully we're just going to limit the amount of toys that are coming in as well, because this place is much smaller. And I prefer to have most of his toys in his bedroom unless the toys are for homeschool purposes. But yeah, so I'm going to, like I said, dump these all into a massive pile and then clean out the bins and start organizing them into categories. Also, I wanted to share with you 2 other things I'm not sorting out in this video. I'm probably not going to finish sorting out the Lego as well as his kitchen stuff. It's kind of a mess. I got to re-figure out what we're keeping of these items and, sort them out a little bit better. Over here is my little trinket shelf and my toys. But down here we have the 2 baskets with all the food and all the like dishes and stuff. So I'm not going to be sorting these items out in this video. But I just wanted to show some of our other toys. I'll just show you where we're storing our outdoor toys, which I still have to organize as well. So also, yeah, you won't see it sorted in this video, but these are a lot of our outdoor toys. Now what I did was I used the S-hooks, and I have this rack here, and I started using the S-hooks to hang things up. So here's like this toboggan, and then we have the badminton rackets, some sand toys, these little ball poppers, some rings, there's the skipping rope. So yeah, these little S-hooks are absolutely fantastic for organizing like outdoor stuff like this. Anyways, back to sorting out the toy bins. So I've emptied all the bins out. I also pulled this bin out of Nate's closet because I noticed there's some of those McDonald's trains, and that outdoor bin by my door has some of those trains as well. So I'm going to see if any of them are doubles, and I'm going to sort out the toys in that bin probably near the end. This is a lot of toys, and probably some of these toys can go, and I just want to organize them into the correct categories. I left the action figure ones in there and labeled that one already. So yeah, I'm going to sort all these toys out into different piles, and then we'll label the bins. I still need to clean out the bins as well. So yeah, this will be fun, but I'm glad I'm doing this so that way we can also declutter what we're not using. So yeah, I went through that bin by my door there, and there was quite a few toys that matched those trains that are in that black bin that I pulled out of his closet. And there's some other toys like his Spider-Man toys, some cars and lizards and a spider. So I'm glad I got these toys out of the outdoor toys bin, and that way I can see what we don't need from this pile as well. But yeah, these are a lot of toys. I know it seems like a lot, but Nate really does like playing and doing setups. And I think at his age, it's so important for children just to be the age they are. And if they want to play, he's only turning 8, so if he still wants to play for a couple years with these types of toys, then I'm going to allow him to be a child and just have fun and use his imagination. So I have almost everything back in their boxes. I decided with these small little like candy construction pieces and the larger connects and stuff like that, I'm starting to put them into their little pouches from Amazon. I have 2 sets of these pouches. They come in sets of 10, and I absolutely love them. So yeah, we're almost all organized. I also have these foam blocks, which I don't know if we're going to keep those or not. I have a little discard like donate pile over there, but yeah, it's coming along. We're almost done sorting everything out, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. I did leave the candy construction set in the bin because he does play with this a lot. And I'm going to show you what I came up with for the cars and the trains and stuff, because I forgot my mom gave me these 2 things that go in the closet. It'd be perfect for storing the cars and trains. That way you can pick out the ones you want without digging in the bin. So I think these are just closet organizers. You can hang them up, but they have these large mesh little pouches. They are double-sided. I don't think I'll need 2 of them, but I do have 2. I think she got these on Temu, but I have all his little mini trains and Hot Wheel cars and other little metal trains, so I'm going to organize it into this little fabric thing and then probably hang it off his bed. But yeah, we're almost done. I'm so glad I did this. I was able to downsize some items, but and we'll donate them to another child that can play with them. So I used this large green basket from Dollarama. I also have 2 pouches with these little Velcro blocks as well. And then this yellow basket that had the Spider-Man characters in, I put in some like kind of fidget. There's Pop-It toys in here and little things to keep Nate busy when maybe I'm reading a story or something, or if he needs to calm down. It's good to have that, so I'll leave that by his desk. And this I'll put in the homeschool area as well. And we could use these materials as like if we're doing a STEM project, plus these foam blocks, like I said, have numbers and equations on them, so we can use those for math. So let's go into his bedroom and I'll show you what I did with the other toys. So he hung his little metal airplane here with the S-hook, and I'll show you where I hung the cars and trains. So his curtain is up right now, but I hung this little thing here, so I put 3 or 4 cars in each little pouch, and then the trains, the metal trains, and the mini trains are at the bottom, and then he can just close the curtain when he's not using these items. So here's the side. I put the Hot Wheel tracks, I put a band around them and just left them at the top, and he's got his Mario figures and some of my old Smurf characters in there, and these are like the larger cars and the launcher for the Hot Wheels, and then the rainbow tracks. And then as you come down, he's got a bunch of characters that look like people, and then the other train items, And then these, I absolutely love these. Came from McDonald's. It took a lot of time to collect these, but these are the Little Miss and Little Mister pieces. I love those. So we have a whole bin of those. And then this bin has like trees, fences, little mountains and stuff like that, so you can build little scenes. We have Mr. Potato Head pieces down here. And then these are just other little random characters like Peppa Pig. There's Minnie and stuff like that. I left in that bin. And then in the other one, we have these, I think these were Melissa and Doug little signs and wooden buildings. And then he has the little buildings that came with Peppa Pig, little houses. They were like mystery things. Then his action figures. And then these are all magnets. He's currently playing with the other magnet tiles right now. And then Minecraft characters, the zoo kind of, but it makes all animals. I just said wild animals basically. Even has these wooden magnet ones here. And then this one has the stacking rocks and the stacking rainbows, the dinosaur bin, and then his candy construction. Well, yeah, this turned out really good. And I do have those other toys to sort out. I checked the bins in the bedroom, and a lot of those are my old Gemini hologram dolls, my old McDonald's toys, and like My Little Pony and stuff. So I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I am probably gonna do finish the Legos and the kind of kitchen and outdoor stuff. So I'll probably do that in another video. And lastly, this is our donate pile. Pretty good. These trains were all doubles, some Smurfs that were doubles, and some of these little characters were doubles as well. And a little couple kitchen items that we did find that we don't want. But yeah, we'll be donating this. Hopefully next week we'll be getting to the library and the thrift store, and I can donate these at the thrift store. But thanks a lot for watching this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.
Take care. Bye for now.